Hi guys, it's your girl Dia, and as soon as I woke up today, I started crying. Like, I literally started bawling my eyes out. And why, you may ask? Because I feel like shit. Like, literally, I feel like absolute piece of shit. Um, so I was like, you know what? Let me go and take myself on a date because nobody's son will. So firstly, I have to prepare and get ready for the date. For my ideal first date, I just like a chill one. Not very mentally stimulating, like lots and lots of going on and I'm like, what the fuck is happening? It's just too much for me. So like a simple chill date just to get to know each other, like just to get to know the other person or whatever, like what the hell. I would like to get to know the other person on the first date, right? So, like a normal lunch or a dinner date, going on a long drive. Like, I love drives. And after that, going to like a park or something and just like having a deep conversation with that person. That's my ideal first date. And then after that, like after we get to know each other or something, we can do something fun, right? Like going to an arcade or an amusement park. Oh, and also an aquarium date would be so nice. Like that would be so fun, like doing that with someone. But I have no one to go there with, so I'm just gonna see where I feel like going. I'm thinking of going to grab lunch first because I'm starving. People find it so difficult to go out and have lunch or dinner by themselves, like alone. At first, it was so hard for me, but now I think I am really, really good at just going outside and just doing things alone by myself. And then after having lunch, we'll see. Like, I don't have a plan in my mind as always. Are we surprised? Not at all. But I'm just gonna keep this day in my free will so I don't have to stress about anything. I can do whatever I want to. I'm thinking of wearing this pink dress that Ishita gifted me on my birthday. Let me go and wear this. So as you guys saw, it started raining. Oh my god, my hair is a mess right now. Oh my god. It started raining, so I had to come back home. So after I came back home, I just watched Pretty Little Liars. But now I'm going outside again because the rain ruined my day. I'm thinking of wearing these earrings this time. My best friend Sarvanshi made these. You might have seen it in my birthday vlog, and it matches with my outfit kind of. I just hope it doesn't rain again because these are made out of paper and they will like completely destroy. And I don't want that. I don't want that. Anyways, guys, when I was at Burger King, everyone kept looking at me, like everyone did. And I'm not saying, oh my gosh, I'm so pretty, everyone just looks at me. Not in that way. I would have looked at myself too. It might definitely have been kind of like, what is this freak doing that all by herself, all dressed up? I would have looked at myself too and be like, But honestly, if I also saw a baddie in a restaurant eating alone by herself, I would have looked at her too. Like, I would have stared too. But like, it's not even about boys. Boys look at every other girl, okay? It's not about boys. But when girls look at you and they give you like the sign of approval, like, you just know when a girl is judging you or when she's appreciating your outfit or your looks or just everything. And one girl even complimented me how beautiful I am and how pretty this dress is. Thank you to Ishita, because this dress is gifted by her, so the credit goes to her. And thank you to my parents for these jeans, because I wouldn't have been beautiful if it weren't for them. Do you guys find me narcissistic? Because I genuinely do find myself a little narcissistic. Anyways, but something more weird happened. Like, looking is fine. I look at baddies on the road all the time. Like, okay, girl, like, go off. But there was like a group of friends. Like, there were 2 girls and there were 2 boys. And they were like looking at me. I'm like, okay, fine, whatever. But they started recording me. I literally caught them taking a video of me. Recording someone without their consent is, I think, a crime. It actually is, but I didn't call them out. I just really hope the girls just recorded me only because they found my dress nice, like they wanted to find out about it, or they just like liked my look or whatever. I don't know. I just really hope it's that reason. Otherwise, any other reason, that would be mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. Guys, I'm in a park right now, just connecting with myself, because getting to know each other, in my case, just me, because I am on a solo date, so it's just really good. Also, look at how green the grass is. It's really nice to just roam around here in silence. Like, I love it. So I brought a gift for my parents because their anniversary is coming up. I brought them a golden rose, as you all saw. It symbolizes a lot of meanings. Like, the rose I brought, it doesn't wither like the real roses, so that means that my love for my parents is like eternal. It also means like wealth and having a high status, because obviously my parents do have a high status in my life, and it's just giving someone respect and honor, and it obviously symbolizes that. And yeah, I did ChatGPT it. I will get them something else later. Like, there's like 4 days left till their anniversary, so it's one of the gifts. I will get something more, but yeah, I just wanted to show you guys, because on a date you have to buy something, like some kind of a gift, right? Like, on a first date I would love to gift someone something, because my love language is gift giving. But obviously I don't have anyone to gift something to right now, so I'll just gift it to my parents. Guys, this is the golden rose I was talking about. Look at how pretty it is. This is the packaging it came in, and my sister thought it's a bottle of alcohol.
Oh my god.
Because I was hiding it, my mom was sitting in the living room, and I was like,
She was hiding it in her jacket, like.
yeah, I was like hiding it in my jacket, and she thought that it's alcohol, and I'm hiding it from my mom.
My heartbeat came in my hands. Oh my god.
It doesn't actually matter. Like, I can drink alcohol with my father if I want to, but in private I can't.
Yeah, literally.
In private it's kind of a sin, not gonna lie. I can do it with my father if I want to, but I don't like alcohol, so. But
literally. I was so scared, like, what the hell is going
she
on?
thought
She's turning 18.
she thought that I turned a rebel, that I'm literally a bad girl
Oh
now.
God. Oh,
So cute though. It's so
and I
cute.
believe she can bring alcohol. That's why.
I can, but I don't want to.